Gundam.tk presents another completely accurate Plamo recreation of a scene, this time from the newest Gundam series, Episode 2 of Gundam Age. Tifa, we're trapped here in the space colony. How are we supposed to get out into space? 4, 3, 2, 1... High grade Gafran. While you're here, don't forget to check out my reviews of the anime, which will be up right after it airs on Sunday. Hey, nice job there, Gramps, on doing your own stunts. Well, I just figure if I break, I'm just gonna get replaced by the Titus or the Sparrow anyway.